Welcome to Linux Help tutorial. I'm going to explain about how to install Nixnote 2 in Ubuntu 16.04. Nixnote is an unofficial Evernote client for Linux. It was initially called Nevernote. The application was written in Java until the Nixnote 2. Now it is completely rewritten in C++ using the Qt framework, which has a better performance and reduced memory footprint. The application still continues to use Java for encrypting and decrypting text, but that is optional. Now we can see the installation of Nixnote 2 in Ubuntu 16.04. First, you need to download the Nixnote installation package from the SourceForge site. Now copy this link and open the browser. Now paste the link. Now we can see the installation packages that are available. Now we can see the latest version. Now select the latest version. Now we can see the packages that are available. Tar.gz package, Debian package are available here. Now we can download the Debian package, which is a 64-bit. If you're using the 32-bit, you need to download the 32-bit Debian package. I'm going to download the 64-bit Debian package. Now click Save File to download. Now the installation package is downloaded. Now open the terminal. Now change the directory to downloads. Now list the files. Now we can see the Debian package that is available. Now we can install this Nixnote 2 D package -i. Now the package name. Now give enter. During this installation, you may get some dependency error. Now we can see there is a dependency problem that has occurred during the installation. Now to solve this dependency problem, we can use the following command: apt-get -f install. Now give enter. Now give S to download and install the packages. Now the dependency packages are getting downloaded. This will take some time. Now the dependency packages are installed. Now we can install the Nixnote 2. Now again run the dpackage command and give enter. Now the Nixnote 2 is successfully installed. Now to open the Nixnote, just type Nixnote 2 and give enter. Now the Nixnote 2 is opened. Now the Nixnote is logged in as a default account. If you want to add another user, you can select the user account maintenance and you can add a new user. I'm going to add the account name user2 and you can select your server. I'm going to use the Evernote. You can also use the other two servers that are available. Now click OK. Now the user2 is created. Now click OK. Now if you want to switch the Nixnote to the user2, you can select the switch to user2. Now we can see it is logged in as user2, user that is created now. Now to create a new notebook, in the right click the notebooks and create new notebook. Now give the name for the notebook. I'm going to give new. Now click OK. Now the new notebook is added. In the new notebook, you can add some notes. Now right click on the notebook and add a new note. Now select the add note and now you can edit your note. You can give name for the note. I'm going to give first, and here you can see some options that are available for the note. You can insert the date and time here, and you can change the alignment. You can change the font size, font color. You can insert tables to the note, and if you want to add a tag to this note, you can click this to add a tag. And if you want to duplicate this note, you can use the duplicate note. You can change the title color, and if you want to print this note, you can select the print note option, and you can backup and restore the databases and import and export the notes. In the tools, you can see the synchronize option and account option. You can see the account information and the database status. In the edit, you can see the preferences. You can change the appearance of the Nixnote, and you can change the date format and time format. And if you want to sync the notes, you can use this sync option. And in the email, you need to set up email SMTP server to send the notes from the Nixnote. The Nixnote 2 is successfully installed in Ubuntu 16.04. Thank you for watching.